Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Amber Maria, and today I'm going to attempt to do rope twists on my hair using the Doux Crazy Sexy Curl. Let's go. Alright you guys, I am kind of excited to try this. I've been seeing rope twists kind of all over TikTok and everything. I've been meaning to try it. I'm scared I'm gonna mess it up, but I'm gonna try it. But like I said, the only product I'll be using today is B-Girl Crazy Sexy Curl by the Doux. I've used this product before. This is the only product I use consistently when I do two-strand twists. Now, I'm about to introduce him. He just wants some attention. Anyway, usually when I do two-strand twists, this is the one product I use. But in my previous videos, I did make my own curl cream. If you want to look at that, here's the video. And I feel like I used another product to do twists recently, but I can't remember. But this is my OG go-to that I go to. That rhymed. Did it rhyme? Anyway, y'all know what I'm trying to say. I'm going to be using this product to say all that. Now, before we really get started, let's introduce the Dark Knight Rises, Mr. Bubbles. Yeah, you did it on cue. Did you know cats don't like being pointed at? Like, if you do that to them, they feel threatened. He may still feel threatened. But anyway, girl, let's get into it. Before we start, can we talk about how glowy my skin looks? This is not sponsored, but if they want to sponsor me, they can. But this is La Roche-Posay. I have their Gentle Oil Foaming Cleanser and their Gentle Foaming Cleanser. I'm gonna put some pictures up. Oh, and their Triple Moisturizer. Y'all, so my skin was like really dry, really brittle, really just like, are you sick? What's going on? But like, look at the skin. And then I finally got my eyebrows done. Ladies, get your eyebrows done. If you're not feeling confident, if you feel like you look like a toad, just get your eyebrows done. It's probably just your eyebrows. It's really what it probably, most likely 99.9% is. Your eyebrows just need to be done. I did my eyebrows. I got them done. And like, y'all can't say nothing to me because look at her. But anyway, this is the skin. Let me zoom in. This is the skin. I do still have some like dark spots and everything like that, but it's glowy and shiny and dewy and like just I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, so this is not what this video is about. Let's keep moving. So I participated in the 2025 Natural Hair Expo, so they had to do my hair. I'll put some pictures of the event up here, but I was tired yesterday when I got in from it, so I just pulled it in a bun and I went to brunch today. And I was like, I'm just going to tie a scarf on it. But like, they did my baby hairs and my baby hairs have never laid this down before. So I just need to know how they did it because it was perfect. But if you want to see highlights of the event, here is a video of that right here. But yeah, girl, this is my hair. This is what it really looks like underneath all that. Now, I washed my hair before the event and I blew dried it. I blew it out. Don't know the proper term. I blew it out. And they parted it. Like, here's the deep part that they used right here. So I'm not going to rewash my hair because I had just washed it the day before yesterday. And that just doesn't make sense to me. So I'm going to put some twists in it. And I made my next appointment with them in 2 weeks. So I think that only makes sense. But yeah, girl. Oh, and today I bought Mary Ruth's multi-hair vitamin. So we're going to see how that goes. Like I said, I want healthy long hair. Like I do. And yeah, I do. I want healthy long hair. I think I'm stalling. Okay. Let's go, Amber. Let's do this. Alright, you guys. So first I like to part my hair section by section. We're going to start with a small part and then we're going to begin the twisting method. First, I make sure that my curls are defined with the mousse, and I'm going to braid my hair down. That will keep the twist as flat as possible so they won't look as bulky. After I do that, I'm then going to begin twisting. So with twisting, I'm going to twist and do a finger coil around my finger and then twist each strand together. So it's twisting within itself, if that makes sense. I'm going to continue this process, and as I was doing it, I realized how easy it was and how quickly I was getting through it. And this is what the twists look like. So, alright, so this is the first one. It's okay. I don't like that the braid is not as smooth as I want it to be, so I'm probably going to redo this one. But the idea is to twist each section of hair while you're twisting it around each other. And it does look different than my normal twist, so I can see something forming here. But I feel I'm gonna take this down and like try it again. But hopefully we get the idea, guys. I think this is the first time I had this flavor. It's actually pretty good. It's called Pink Lady Apple. It tastes really good. I think this is probably the best one I've had. But yeah, we're gonna keep going. I think I want to because the braid itself is bothering me. The twist is fine, the braid itself is bothering me. So I'm gonna redo it and do the rest of the row, and I'll be back. Alright, so throughout this video, I'm going to show a couple of times of me doing this just to make sure that everyone understands it. So after I braid it down, I'm going to twist the strands around my finger and then twist around itself. So like finger coil, twist, finger coil, twist. So twisting each strand together so it can look like a rope. Then at the end, I'm going to finger coil the ends of it so they can stay together. And that's it. So like I said before, I really realized how easy it was once I stopped overthinking it and was just doing it. This is the first row. They're not as neat as I would like them to be, and they're a little bigger than I wanted them to be. But as I continued on up my hair, I was able to get the patterns of how I wanted them to be. I did want them to be smaller, like mini twists, but I knew about the time I got to this section that it was going to take forever and a day to do that. So I figured my regular twist size would be perfectly fine. So again, here I'm just twisting the ends, gonna finger coil it at the end so it can lock in place, and that's it. One thing I love about this mousse is that you don't need a lot of it, like at all, and it does the job perfectly well. Like look how moisturized and locked in those curls are. So this is the last strand and I was exhausted, and this is my hair. I would do this again. I kind of enjoyed it now that I think about it. Whew, hey you guys, I am exhausted. And it feels like it's 2 o'clock in the morning, but it's only like 10 something. But my hair is done. This is what they look like. Okay. Alright. Yeah, so you can kind of see the ropeness of them a little bit. I hope so. Turn this way. Now, in some sections, I did have to go in with the big pop of gel because I was running out of this, and I was like, dang, I only have like this much left, so I was like, I need to somehow stretch it. But overall, I use the foamy mousse. But I like it. I think they're pretty. I think they make the twist look a little longer, in my opinion. You know, this is what the back looks like. I can definitely tell it's a little bit longer. Would I do this again? Yes. Would I do it more frequently? No, because it takes a little longer, and like I said, I'm tired. But this is all I have for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you tried rope twists? Which one do you prefer, regular twists or rope twists? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Peace.